Okay, my name is Megan, and today we are going to do how to make a paperclip float. So we need a bowl of water. It doesn't matter how hot or how cold it is. Just be water, a towel, and one L-shaped paperclip, and one just regular paperclip. So we don't need the towel till the end, so we're gonna take our L-shaped paperclip, place it on this. Now this is the hard part. Logan couldn't get it because he wasn't watching me. Come on. So you're gonna have to balance it on here.
Logan, watch out.
Just watch. Mom, could you put it over?
Oh. Wow. And why do you think it's floating right now?
Because there's a shield and it's like bringing it up.
And what is that called? What's that shield or film?
I don't know.
Surface tension?
Surface tension. So once something else comes in here, it's gonna fall.
Yep. Because you broke the
surface tension.
Yeah, good job.
And then you gotta wipe your hands down. Logan, do you want to try to do it? Yes.
Okay, say bye-bye.
And thank you for watching. Goodbye.